Amer, the question that we hear again and again, and it's a concern pretty much for everybody who listens to our programming, and that is, where the heck is my cloud data?
Data is everywhere in the cloud. It's spread across structured, unstructured data stores, across platform as a service, PaaS, IaaS, SaaS. So it's a huge proliferation issue that's happening in the cloud. And that's really becoming a big problem for security teams and security professionals.
What's the sort of the beginning of the process?
The beginning of the process is to do a comprehensive discovery in the cloud environments across all the clouds and the various clouds you're using to understand where the data is and then to classify it and figure out where sensitive data is within your infrastructure. What's
the common thing that everybody has? And what's the thing that you got to really look into? Because if you got it, it's going to be a bigger problem than you can possibly imagine.
I think that the common things that customers face a lot is understanding where things are that they don't know about.
The
unknown, understanding like, oh, I have the sensitive data in this data store and I have these 100 people that have access to it, but I'm not sure why they have access to it or what type of access they have.
So a scan always reveals something they didn't know about.
Of course, that's usually the aha moment when it kind of hits the customer. It's like, oh, I have all these problems and all these exposures that I didn't know they exist. Get the visibility, understand where everything is, and then put a plan of attack so you can address these problems before they actually become problems.
Where are we attacking this problem?
The visibility that you get by the discovery, really, it gives you the ability to put a plan. It gives you that blueprint.
When it's unknown, there's nothing I can do about it.
Exactly. Once you know where everything is and where the issues are and where the problems are, then you can start looking at them. In certain cases, the data have moved within the environment from one place to the other, and it started in one place and ended up in a place where it shouldn't be. Why that happened? What happened along the way? That type of an issue would require a bit more understanding and investigation and having the right tools so you can determine what happened and put the measures and the controls in place either to fix the problem or if a problem has already happened, identify it and then resolve it.
Well, if you want to find out where your data is and who the heck doesn't, why not get a little help from Normalize? You can just go to their website. There's the address right there, normalize.ai.